what are the fundamental physical quantities defined in physics. Okay, so there are seven. Okay, there are seven fundamental quantities. Okay, so there are seven fundamental quantities. Okay, there are seven fundamental quantities. Okay, the first is length. Okay, the second is mass. Third is time. Fourth is current. Okay, fifth is temperature. Okay, fifth is temperature. Sixth is luminous intensity. Like this might be new for you. Luminous, like till 5, you must have studied all these quantities, even the units in 10th class. But this might be new for you. So luminous intensity. And seventh is amount of substance. Okay, so these are the seven fundamental quantities. Again, these quantities, like if these quantities can't be written in terms of other available quantities. Like if I have to write mass, I can write it in terms of mass only. I can't use other other quantities to represent mass. Okay, similarly, like apart from these seven quantities, if you take any other physical quantity, let's say resistance, then like breaking down the formula and everything, I won't go into the details right now. We will solve many questions related to these. Okay, so like at the end of the day, when you will solve the formula for resistance, you will see that whatever the formula is, at the end of the day, we can write resistance in terms of these seven quantities. Okay, these seven quantities only. Okay, but yeah, so that's why resistance is a derived quantity. It is not a fundamental quantity, unlike these. Okay, so what are the units of these quantities? Okay, so what are the units for these quantities? And we are talking about SI unit. Okay, the standard units for these quantities. I would explain what SI unit exactly is. Just give me a few minutes. So yeah, length, for length it is meter, METER. Okay, for mass it is kilogram, kg. Okay, let me write full form only. So meter is denoted by m, small m, kilogram denoted by kg. Okay, for time it is second denoted by s, small s. For current it is ampere. Okay, I hope you have studied current electricity's basics like Ohm's law and everything in 10th class, so I think you should be familiar with it. For current it is ampere denoted by capital A. Please make sure capital A. And for temperature it is Kelvin. Okay, the SI unit's name is Kelvin, which is denoted by K, again capital K. Okay, for luminous intensity, the name of the standard unit is Candela. Okay, and it is denoted by it is denoted by CD. Okay, and for amount of substance, the name of the standard unit is mole, and it is denoted by mole, or sometimes we denote it by, like some books write mole only. Okay, so yeah, these are the seven fundamental quantities. Okay, their names, the name of the quantities, and the name of their SI unit, and the symbol for their SI unit. Okay, so now let's discuss what is SI unit. Okay, so like there was like we can say that if we take any of these quantities, let's say we take mass. Okay, so some person would say, like if we want to measure something, okay, let's say we have an object x, some person would report its mass in grams, some person would report its mass in kilograms. Okay, another person would report its mass in like milligrams. So if we have an object, let's say x, its mass is like 7 grams. Okay, or let's say 7,000 grams. Okay, its mass is 7,000 grams. We know it is 7 kg. Okay, so there are three persons, A, B, C. He would say the mass is 7,000 grams. He would say the mass is 7 kg, and he would say the mass is in milligrams. Okay, so milligram is 10 to the power minus 3 gram. Okay, so yeah, in order to convince all of these, all of the three people that please report your mass in only one of the quantities. So to solve this debate and things like this, we chose, like, for any physical quantity we will have a SI unit. Okay, so the final result, like, until not mentioned, the final result would, like, we will represent the final result in terms of the SI unit only. So for mass, the SI unit was chosen as kilogram. Similarly, for length, it was chosen as meter. For time, second. For current, ampere. For temperature, Kelvin. Please make sure not Celsius, Kelvin. For luminous intensity, it was Candela. And for amount of substance, the SI unit was chosen as mole. So I hope you are clear with this discussion. Like, very theoretical discussion, but just to make sure what SI unit exactly is and why did we need SI unit. Okay, because many persons would report a physical quantity in, like, many units of it. Okay, so we used to, like, we needed to set a standard. Okay, and that's why we chose SI unit for all the quantities, and these are the SI units chosen for the seven fundamental physical quantities. Okay, so I won't erase it, but yeah, take a note of it. I'll give you around 1 or 2 minutes. Please take a good note of it. Okay, so I hope you are done. Please make sure you are writing with me only.
Lack of personal attention. With one-to-one mentoring, every doubt is addressed, every concept is applied, and real improvement begins.